All right, Giant Thomas. First of all, how are you feeling?
Well, I'm feeling great right now, you know.
International call up. You know,
Yeah.
national. I get international call up. How your first training session? What do you think about it?
Well, training session went well. I think
Mm.
we carried out the task that the coach wanted in the
Mm.
training session. It was great. It's a great feeling though.
Compared to the club, what you think about the coach and what he demands of you guys being here in the national setup?
Coach, I think what coach demand from us still is he demand that he want us to work really hard in training
Mm-hmm.
and help us to carry out what he want us to do
Mm-hmm.
throughout the matches
Mm-hmm.
and help us to, and tell us that we need to get the points going forward in the table.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So here at the national call up, what does it feel? How did the guys welcome you to a part of the setup?
Well, it's a great feeling, you know, and while I was coming in training today, I feel welcome from the players. Every man come in, introduce themselves and
Mm-hmm.
you know get us to know each other.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so
The coaching staff make they feel welcome as well.
yes.
Um, for the training session, what do you think about the training session? You think that the intensity are just a normal day for you in football?
Well, I would say the intensity it was high. It was just normal. You see
Mm-hmm.
me? Um, I think we and these players that are here right now in the
Mm-hmm.
national setup, we play against one another, so we know that the level
Mm-hmm.
is really high in the
Mm-hmm.
league. So we adapt to it in training today.
All right. So based off what the coach tactical, what he's trying to implement tactically, I think that's something that you guys can grasp quite easily.
Yes. I think it's a great thing building out from the back going
Mm-hmm.
forward. So it's an easy way to score goals.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
All right. Congratulations and call up again and big up yourself here, bro.
yeah, man.
Every time.
Thanks. Yeah.